In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk update accounts in your transactions using Zoho Books. This process is incredibly useful when you need to make changes to multiple transactions at once without the hassle of editing each one individually. Whether you're managing your finances or accounting for a business, this feature can save you a considerable amount of time and effort. Let's dive right in and see how you can streamline your workflow in just a few simple steps. First, we'll start by logging into your Zoho Books account. Once you have access to the main dashboard, the first thing you need to do is locate and click on the Accountant tab. This can typically be found on the left-hand side of your screen. The Accountant section provides various options related to managing your finances, including the bulk update function, which we'll explore today. After navigating to the Accountant section, find and click on the Bulk Update option. This feature is specifically designed to help you adjust multiple transactions in one go. It's especially handy when you're dealing with a large volume of entries, be it for rectifying mistakes or updating records. Next, in the Bulk Update section, you'll want to click on Filter and Bulk Update. Filtering is a critical step because it allows you to narrow down your selection to only those transactions that need updating. This ensures that you don't make unnecessary changes to other non-related transactions. Now, it's time to specify the criteria for the transactions you'd like to update. Start by selecting Account. This option lets you choose the specific account whose transactions need to be modified. Ensuring you select the correct account is vital as this determines which transactions will be affected by the update. Following the account selection, click on Contact. This allows you to filter transactions by the associated contact or customer, enabling you to target changes accurately. Next, adjust the date range to cover the period containing the transactions you need to modify. Using the date filter ensures that only transactions within a specific time frame are included, providing precision to your updates. Similarly, if needed, adjust the total amount range. This is useful for narrowing down transactions based on monetary value, ensuring that only those within a specified amount range are updated. If you've set these criteria correctly, go ahead and click on Search. This will list all the transactions that match your filters. Finally, with your filtered list of transactions, click on Update. A confirmation window might appear to verify your changes, so make sure everything looks correct before proceeding. If necessary, you can always go back and click on Change Filter Criteria to adjust any of the parameters if the results are not as expected. And there you have it, a straightforward way to bulk update transactions in Zoho Books. By following these steps carefully, you can efficiently manage your accounts, saving both time and effort. I hope you find this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips on using Zoho Books.